Tastes so good. Clearly, I'm a morning guy. Who would miss out waking up to this? Look at it. This view is so beautiful. Well, apart from this view, the boat here has a lot of bagichas and I don't know what it has to offer. So I thought I'll take a walk around this boat and I'm just doing that right now. So. There are all flowers out here and there is basically a walkway. I don't know what flowers are these. Do you guys have any idea what are these? But they're so nice. They're so good looking. Oh, I was walking by and I found something very cute and amazing here. Or this tiny plants that they're growing here behind the boat. So that's our boat and this is where they're growing all of it. It's till that end. I don't know what are these, but yeah, these are amazing. Look at all this. Okay. What can it be? What can it be? अंकल अभी आते हैं तो मैं पूछता हूँ ये है क्या? Beautiful flowers. Basically this is lily flowers is what he told me, but I can't see a flower. Can I not? Alright, I'm almost ending the morning walk right here with the beautiful flowers on either sides of us. और ये हमारे हैं आशिक भैया, ये बोट के ओनर.
मॉर्निंग एवरीवन.
बहुत अच्छा स्टे था एंड भैया ने बहुत सपोर्टिंग भी थे. रात में मैंने गलती से बेल बजा दिया, भैया आ गए थे. सो बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ रुक के. और मैं जो भी लोग देख रहे हैं ना उन लोग को आपका नंबर डालता हूँ मैं स्क्रीन पे so that people can come here. It's a beautiful boat. So this is from my side guys. Alright, time to have some authentic Kashmiri kahwa or chai, whatever it is. What's happening? Right here is where we have, this is kahwa and this is chai is what he told me. We'll wait for them. Parshaka is getting some photo shoot done. These guys are up having kahwa without me. हम जा रहे हैं.
kahwa नहीं है.
This is chai.
This is chai.
That is kahwa. That's how it looks. Nishant bhaiya, what are you having?
I'm having tea.
Kahwa क्यों नहीं?
Not kahwa because from last 3 days I'm having kahwa, so I need normal.
Okay. Parshaka, how is kahwa?
Amazing.
Tell that now.
Amazing. Kashmiri kahwa is best.
So let me make that for myself now. Very chilled. Open So basically I'm testing if I can have this or not.
एक बार पूछो ना क्या
Tastes so good.
अंकल को
బాగుంది.
और
Expect చేయలే.
ये वाला उपमा बिना
We are checking out of this stay now. It was a beautiful night like you guys saw and yeah, pretty much right now let's ride to Kargil. We're going to the previous homestay that I was in. We're going to have some lunch and ride to Kargil. That's the boat Shikhara it is called. We're going to take this and go to our bikes.
बन गया कश्मीर का पठान. पठान जी बन गया पठान. क्या सही बस करता फोन काजे. Say hi Satish. Jerry. नवीन अन्ना. मनीषा.
अबे तू आराम से बैठ रहा
किशोर. किशोर. बाबा.
Show yourself.
this experience of our staying in the houseboat and me having the Kashmiri Kawa for the first time was astonishing. And now it was our time to ride towards Zozilla, and this is going to be my first ever high altitude pass climb.
Kargil 166, Dras 109, Sonmarg 47. Alright, let's stop at Sonmarg is what I'm thinking, but let's see what happens in the end of the day. We have some cattle traffic on the right lane of the road, so you gotta be a little careful. Can use that. Oh, look at the right. Woo! I'm gonna take the right. Shoo! Oh, such a beautiful view. Wow. It all of a sudden got so cold here. It's so cold here at this point of time. Wahan pe it's all sunny, but here it's so cold. I can feel the cold through my jacket and gloves. Oh, maybe that's because we are under a cloud, I guess. Alright, we stopped by this beautiful water stream out here before reaching Sonmarg. This is how it actually looks like. Woo! The flow is so intense. The flow is actually so intense. So we're gonna stop by here for some time and probably ride back to Kargil. And there's Varsha Akka taking some good photos. Alright, that's where we parked our motorcycles. This is Satish, as you all know. Welcome to Sonmarg. Beautiful. Aha! Look at those mountains. इतने बड़े. Wow. Sonmarg altitude 8,950. My ear actually just popped. I'm entering the Golden Meadow. Oh my god! Oh, this is beautiful. Sonmarg is beautiful again. Look at those alpines. Right there behind all the mountains that are in my vision right now is a snow-capped mountain, and that's the first snow-capped mountain I'm seeing in 2021, and after almost 3 years. Corona has kept me home. Sonmarg is beautiful, yeah, but it's just too populated. And look at this side. This side is again mad. This side is magical. Whoa, so beautiful. So you guys just saw what happened, right? So Varsha Akka was actually feeling the wind and all of that like she is now, and there were a group of boys that were going. They actually thought she was waving at them and they were telling a hi back, but that was not the case. Embarrassment 101, embarrassment. So we have almost exited Sonmarg, and Zozilla Tunnel project in progress. That means we are ascending towards Zozilla Pass. and this is going to be the first pass of 2021. Zozila, you are on my number one list right now, so we'll conquer the pass. Looks like this is Zozila. I'm not sure. No, we're climbing even more up. Shiv Mandir. Om Namah Shivaya. Oh my goodness. Oh, there. I see a huge traffic jam. There's a series of trucks standing out there. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh shit. There's one huge waterfall on the right side to me. Just crossed Zozila. I crossed the Zozila top. Woo! We just got our RT-PCR done. Right after this bridge, before we enter Kargil, we have to show our negative certificate so that they'll send us. So let's get that thing sorted. Thank you. Got my pass, Corona pass, vehicle pass. अब निकल सकते हैं. Doing something a little tough, riding down the road to Kargil from Srinagar in the night. It's a little difficult, but anyways I got auxiliary lamps and support, so it won't be a huge problem.